What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Weekly Bitcoin update. Now, Bitcoin has been going crazy the past couple weeks. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly Bitcoin updates, but we also day trade and we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16 and 4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter one to start the year off, we went 53 and 4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20 and 0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17 and 1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16 and 3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So if y'all didn't check out last week's Bitcoin update video, make sure to check that out just so y'all can compare what price was looking like at the beginning of last week compared to how it ended last week and how it's looking this week, and so on and so forth. Because again, we literally called this move right here right before price retraced to this level. So now we're going to talk about what to anticipate from now, where to look for entries at, exits at, and where we can expect price to go from this point on. Now again, if you jumped in last week on the Bitcoin update, you could have jumped in right here once price broke the support level at 61,500, 61,800 price range, right? Because previous to that, this was a strong support level we had before price failed to break this resistance level. Again, we see this resistance level here time and time again has been getting rejected, and we need that level to be turned into support for the uptrend to continue and a new all-time high and a higher high to be made, right? So we also talk about these minor levels here that I have highlighted red, how we could look for exits or another entry at 65,200 as well as 68,000. So we see right here when we go into a smaller time frame that price is currently at this level here, treating this as resistance. So from this point on, we can look for a few things. If price can break and hold 67,800, 68,000 price range as support, we can look for continued rise going to 71,000, 72,000 price range. But we need this resistance level not to just only be broken, but held as support for the uptrend to continue. Now, if it rejects this level like it did previously, you could also look for retracement going back down to 65,400 to look for buys. Also, that's why I recommend exit at if you guys enter down here or even enter back up here. Again, this main level here at 61,700, 61,800 needs to be held as support for the trend to continue pushing on. Now, again, we did a nice retracement right here at 53,400, 53,500 price range, respected that support, which pushed us back up, which is what we was talking about previously. So that's what we needed to see happen, which is a great sign. We also can see that by this wick right here. But now notice when we go into the monthly time frame again, March, April, May, June, this month, July, price has been respected as by support, but struggling to break this level. You can tell by those wicks. So we're going to be looking for potentially the uptrend to get continued and for this level to be broken right here. All right. Again, as long as price doesn't break below 46,600 price range and treat that as resistance, we still have extreme bullish momentum. And the fact that price pushed back up above this level is a great sign as well. Now, we do have this week and some change a couple days into next week for this month before the new month starts. So do keep that in mind. Now, again, if you don't understand how support resistance works, make sure to check out my playlist on day trading tips. I go over how to read the trend. I go over support resistance, all that good stuff, reversals, because all these signs are important to understand how price moves. Because again, once you understand how price moves and the behaviors of price, it's a lot easier to predict and assume what price's next move is going to most likely be. Again, when we hop into a smaller time frame, we can see our price is treating as low as resistance, broke above, failed to really hold that support, treat as resistance. Again, now it's chilling. So we're going to see what the volume does this week. Again, we do got a few news events, so it's going to be definitely interesting. But even on the daily, we can see that we are clearly in an uptrend and we have bullish momentum coming into play, and we're right in the middle of the retracement. So again, we need this resistance level to be broken, held at support, and we need this main resistance level, which is halting us from making all-time highs on a higher high, to be broken, held at support for an uptrend to continue. So again, if we can break past 71,000, 72,000 price range for that support, I can really see price flying and pushing up to around 80, 90,000. So if y'all enjoy this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal services and mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.